your favorite realtor, Josh Brown. Hey man, today I got a special surprise for you. And if you know, first time coming to my channel, make sure you guys don't forget to like and subscribe to your boy's page. You know, I'm gonna do a lot of these property tours to show y'all what's coming in Denver, because you know you gotta hear from me first, right? But this is gonna be a special one, because this is gonna be a unique new build that's coming, you know, out. They're not built yet, but they have a lot of them that they're going to be building. And this is part of the Lennar Homes, which I'm pretty sure you guys might be familiar with. They're one of the top builders out here in Colorado and in the nation. But the home that we're going to be looking at is going to be right over there. And with this, they have two collections. They have the Aspen collection, and then they're also going to have the Peak collection. And in those collections, there's different variations to the home. And the one that we're going to look at right now is going to be, it'll be the 27J school district. So if you guys want to know what schools are in the area, there's definitely schools in the area. And if you looked at my video before, not my video before, but just a couple scenes when I was driving up here, there's a lot of shopping centers closed. So you're in the vicinity of everything. And I want to say you're about 20 minutes away from downtown. So you still got a nice little drive close to the freeway. And in a new upcoming and developing area. So it'll be a great investment for somebody. So let's take a tour, baby. It's part of their next gen collection too. This is what they call it, super home. So here are the two entrances. You know, you got your main house, then you got your in-law suite. We'll go in the in-law suite first. Just kidding. We'll go into the main house first. So this is the 2-story unit. Mother-in-law suite's that way. You got your living room, dining room, kitchen area, all stainless steel appliances. And the good thing about this unit is it comes, everything's in it, everything's upgraded. So there's no, you know, different, you know, sections that you can buy, like if you don't want granite countertops and things like that. So everything comes included, already top tier, so that they make sure, you know, the home that you are purchasing is well done. As you guys can see, kind of the patio. And the patios, they'll pretty much look, you know, the deck will pretty much look similar to this. So this is gonna be the 3-bay garage. Oh, I guess we can't go in there. Got your single bathroom downstairs, your half bathroom down here. Now we'll take you guys upstairs. So most of the bedrooms in this unit, are upstairs. Here's the second level. So this level is also gonna have a loft in it. Look at that. I bet you guys didn't expect it to go back more. But yeah, here's one of the rooms. Nice size. So this is a nice size room. Here's your second room. And all these rooms are actually pretty big, so you definitely will not feel tight-knit around here. Here's your second bathroom, but your first full bathroom. Dual vanities. And then you got your nice little laundry room, which is actually a really good size for a laundry room. There's plenty of storage. And now we're walking to the master. This is gonna be the master bedroom. Closet. And then it has the bathroom. So that's gonna be your master. So, I mean, with this home, you're getting, you know, a really good size, but also, you know, if you have a, I think that was the guest suite. This is going to be the master right here. So that's the guest suite, master bathroom. I bet you guys are like, man, that's a small master, huh? You got your toilet right there. You got your walk-in closet, which is pretty deep. So for all you women out there and men who got, clothes, shoes, this will be a nice fancy little closet. Got your dual sinks, your dual vanities there. And then we'll walk into the master bedroom. Got your high ceilings, crown moldings. So, and it also has like a little lounge area right here. So, you can make this into your office, whatever the case may be. But this is a really good sized room. So let's get the full view over here. So you guys can do whatever you want with this. Okay, now let's take you guys to the mother-in-law suite. This is the bread and butter right here. So the mother-in-law suite is located right next door, and it's literally like a mini house. So here's your living room. Walk into your dining room, kitchen area. And that's gonna be another entrance to the property, but it also goes to the garage. So there's another garage. Let me see if yep, and it let me in here. So there's another garage on this side. So it comes with its own personal garage. So for you investors, Airbnb, you can rent this other unit out if you wanted to. Here's the bathroom, full-size bathroom. Stand-up shower, and then here's the 1 bedroom. So, and it's a nice sized bedroom. You could have easily you probably couldn't put that in there. But as you guys can see, it's a nice sized bedroom, another little extra room there, and then it also has a walk-in closet. Yeah, and this is the Craftsman model. They actually have, and it also has a balcony. You can walk out to the backyard too. They have 3 different designs for this home. So there's one that's a little bit smaller square footage, which is going to be the Shelton. But as you guys can see, this is nice. And then that was the door that we walked in from the beginning. So you have a full unit on this side. And they don't have any of these ready and available right at this moment, but they are starting to do builds. So, and I think the build starting in November, so they'll be done early April. So, people who move into the area, this will be a great opportunity for you guys to move into some equity. Or, by the time you guys, finish with your life plans, it'll be time for your build to probably be done by then. So definitely get in on this action. This is a great opportunity for, whoever wants to take a chance and start building their wealth. So guys, that was the Craftsman Lennar Super Home from the next gen models. So this is a very unique home. There's not too many homes on the market that have a mother-in-law suite, especially at this price. So it'll be definitely a good investment, or somebody who has family members that they want to live with them. This will be a good way to house hack. You guys can get one house, but everybody lives in it. And this is the way that you build financial freedom and generational wealth. The financial freedom comes later down the line, but you have to start somewhere. So DM me, man. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know if you want to see more. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn them notifications on and like this video. If I can get this video to, let's say, 20 likes, I'll give out a free gift card somewhere to my subscribers or to the first person who comments on the channel. So let's see what we can get out there. But yeah, let me know what you guys want. This is your favorite realtor, Josh Brown, and we're in the Thornton area. So if you guys want more information about this home or want to come see a showing, definitely let me know. I'll have the details to my other channel so you guys can like and subscribe to those pages too. But yeah, this is Josh Brown, your favorite realtor. And you guys have a good rest of your weekend, man. Enjoy it. Don't work so hard. Over and out.